I share way more than most CEOs. Now, I didn't do this in my younger years when I was in a CEO as an employee working for other people, but now that I own a business, Riderflex, I tell them, I'm like, look, here's what me and Scott are making. You can see, here's our payroll
Yeah.
right here. This is what we're
Yeah.
paying ourselves. Here's the income statement. Here's how much cash we had. And by the way, out of the 20 recruiters we have, 12 of you made more than I did last year. So here you
Yeah.
go. This is it
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
And that
Yeah.
really, I think I encourage startup founders to do that, because
Mhm.
if they, I think employees like seeing information. They don't, that way they don't feel like you're trying to hide something, whatever.
Right.
Uh, the other thing I do is, Kim and I, my wife and I, we still live in a little wood frame, 1953, 2,000 square foot home in
Yeah.
Johnstown, Colorado. I try to get people to come to my house as much as possible because I want to show them, look, this is where I live. You see where I live? Okay. Now you've seen my paycheck. You see where I live. So please don't think that we're just, you're working hard and we're just sitting around.
Right. Yeah. Exactly. I do think it's a lot of questions can be answered by explaining and going through the P&L with your employer.
Yes,
I think,
absolutely.
and you don't have
Yes.
to go into super detail, but explaining that, hey, I understand we all want more, and
Sure.
our, goes in the top line,
Yep.
and it just needs to get to the bottom line. It's very